Hello folks, we are once again back with this next problem number 15 of this exercise 7.5. As you see it on the board, it is integral of dx over x raised to 4 minus 1. Now this we can break it into factors, so let's break it into factors and then analyze and find out how the substitution could be. Here the x raised to 4 minus 1 can be is of the type a squared minus b squared, so it splits as a minus b into a plus b, so it can be x squared minus 1 times x squared plus 1. That's how you split it. A minus b, a plus b. This is we have learned earlier, this is quadratic irreducible, but this is reducible. Again, this is of the type a squared minus b squared, so again it splits as a minus b into a plus b. Like that, this can become x minus 1 into x plus 1. Finally, these are the factors that we get. So our I is actually going to be integral of dx over x minus 1, x plus 1 and x squared plus 1. These are the factors. So let's consider that and let's make the substitutions. We know that 1 over x minus 1, x plus 1 and x squared plus 1 has the substitution first a over x minus 1, b over x plus 1, and we have learned earlier that whenever there is a quadratic irreducible, you have to get it of that linear type. So therefore it is going to be cx plus d over x squared plus 1. That's how it is. Now it's very clear to us that this is the LCM. So you have to multiply the respective terms everywhere. So here you have to multiply x plus 1 times x squared plus 1. Here you have to multiply x minus 1 times x squared plus 1. And here you have to multiply x minus 1 times x plus 1. So actually what happens is, it is a times x plus 1 x squared plus 1, b multiplied by x minus 1 x squared plus 1, and c multiplied by, cx plus d multiplied by x squared minus 1 over all this, x minus 1, x plus 1, x squared plus 1, becoming equal to 1 over x minus 1, x plus 1 and x squared plus 1. The denominators can cancel each other and we are left with a times x plus 1, x squared plus 1, b times x minus 1, x squared plus 1, cx plus d times x squared plus 1 becoming equal to 1. Now it's our task to get the values of a, b and c. So that we do by substitutions. So let's go in for the respective substitutions. So first let's have, if x is negative 1. So when x is negative 1, a will vanish. Oh, this is minus 1. This also will vanish because it is like x minus 1 times x plus 1. So these four terms will vanish. B will be the surviving term, b times. Let's substitute negative 1 minus 1 minus 1. So that can become negative 2, and that's 1 squared. So that's again 2, and then 1 over here. So it's 4. So minus 1 over 4. So that's b. Then let's substitute x as 1. So when x is 1, this term and this term will vanish and you are left with the a. So a times it's 1 plus 1, which is 2, again 2, 1 here, so a is 1 over 4. That is also done. Now let's substitute x as 0 maybe for the other things. If we have x as 0, then a times 1 it is. So a times is 1 over 4 times 1. Next is b, which is negative 1 over 4, negative 1 because of this. Negative 1. And cx will go off because d is 0, x is 0, and d will stay. D times negative 1. D times negative 1 is 1. So this is 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 minus d as 1. So this is half. Let it go on the other side. 1 minus half, which is half. So negative d is half, d is negative half. So d also we have got. Next it is to get the c. So for c, let's substitute x as 2 or something, because Nothing else is available. So if x is 2, what will happen? Let's see once again. If x is to a, which is 1 over 4, 2 plus 1, 3, 2 squared, that's 4 plus 1, 5. B is negative 1 over 4, 2 minus 1, which is 1, 2 squared plus 1, which is 5. Cx, that is 2c, and d, which is negative half, times x squared minus 1, that is 4 minus 1, which is 3, is 1. Okay, so let's see this. This is 15 over 4, 5 over 4, 3 times 2c minus half is 1. So 15 minus 4 minus 5 over 4, it's 10 over 4. Let's take it on the other side. 3 times 2c minus half, 1 minus 10 over, sorry. Let's get that equalized. So we'll have 4 minus 10, that is minus 6 over 4. And let's bring the 3 on this side. So it's 2c minus half and minus half here also. Let's bring the minus half on this side. Minus half plus half. So 2c is 0, c is 0. Oh, for that we did so much of work. C is 0. Okay, so now having got all this, let's come back to I. I therefore becomes integral of, first part, let's get it from here. It's a, which is 1 over 4 times x minus 1 dx plus b, which is negative 1 over 4 over x plus 1 dx. Then cx plus dc is not there, so only d we have to take care of, that is negative half over x squared plus 1 dx. Now let's rearrange and let's try to get this integral one after the other. So I now becomes 1 over 4 integral of dx over x minus 1 negative 1 over 4 integral of dx over x plus 1 and negative half integral of dx over x squared plus 1, as easy as that. So now it's very easy to get the integrals. It's 1 over 4 log modulus x minus 1 negative 1 over 4 log modulus x plus 1 and minus half. We all know that we have the integral dx over x squared plus a squared becoming 1 over a tan inverse of x over a plus c. This is how we are going to substitute. So it's going to be half tan inverse x, a for us is 1. And this also, here there will be 1a coming, but then you don't have to write it because a is 1 itself, x over 1, so that also no need to write. What's your final integral? 1 over 4, of course you can, because as I have always told you, because it's log, you can do lot of arrangements and rearrangements. Welcome to do that. It's 1 over 4 log x minus 1 minus 1 over 4 log modulus x plus 1 and half minus half times tan inverse of x plus c. That's your integral for this. That should be all for this problem number 15. With more problems, we'll meet in the next video, and as I always tell, please spread a word amongst your friends. See that we get a lot of subscriptions and see that the channel becomes more popular just because of you. Thank you.